leaks and rumors. Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest, so honest it hurts if this is your first time here. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back again. Let's just talk about this. Oh my God, the Samsung Galaxy S11 is already leaking like something that leaks. Anyway, it's crazy that we know as much as we do apparently about this phone as we do apparently know. And so I just thought that I'd stop in here and sort of update you guys with some painfully honest thoughts about the new updates that or leaks or rumors or whatever they are. Let's just do it. You know, but honestly, the reality of the whole thing is that the Samsung Galaxy S11 or whatever they're going to call it, the Galaxy One, whatever, I don't know, it's going to be here in just a couple of months, almost 2 months to the day, February 18th, it's going to be announced. So maybe it's time to start talking about what we're going to see. And if half of these rumors are true, it's going to be a decent phone. There have been a lot of concepts and leaked information flying around the internet, a lot of leaked features, but there are a few that excite me the most. One being the 108 megapixel camera. I don't even know what that means. With apparently the largest pixels ever. Xiaomi, I guess, has had this kind of thing in a phone for a while, and it was Samsung made it. Now Samsung is proprietarily making it for themselves and doing something special with it. I read that there's even a spectrometer that's going to be able to analyze the chemical makeup of an object inside the phone, so you can like analyze fat content and all those kinds of things. Yeah, spectrometer. The renders that have floated around to this point have shown a gigantic camera module on the back of the phones, which nobody cares about. I'll be the first to admit that the iPhone camera module didn't look as bad as I thought it would whenever I saw it the first time, but now it's just like, oh, there it is. Oh, look how cute. It's even bigger. I guess we just have to get over it at this point. If bigger camera modules mean better camera performance along the lines of what we saw with these iPhones this year, then I guess it's a decent trade-off. Maybe? XDA's Max Weinberg also found some code, apparently, that hints at the potential for some sort of like more robust Face ID, like Apple's and Google's Face IDs. The phone will have the newest, the bestest ever Snapdragon 865 8-core processor with a brand new GPU and all that kind of stuff. For those of us here in the Northern America, and for those of you in the European Union and other places, you're going to get the Exynos 990 chip with a 7-nanometer architecture, also a new GPU, and both are going to have 5G, which won't really likely matter to the majority of people in the United States at this point because 5G is probably a couple of years away. But I guess having the 5G chip now is better than not having it when the 5G comes and you still have that phone. I don't know. 5G has started to roll out in more locations around the United States. And so I guess it's coming. I don't think we're going to see wide-ranging 5G coverage in the United States until like 2022. And that's just what I think. Speaking of stuff that you can't use, the Galaxy S11 will likely be the first S-series phone that won't have a headphone jack. At this point, what am I going to say? Hey, there's a USB-C port. Now, here's something that I can actually get behind. The battery is looking to be impressive on these phones. The S11e could have a battery as large as 4,000 milliamp hours, while the S11 Plus could have a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Given the strides that Apple made in improving the battery life of their phones this year, Samsung is in a spot. They need to do something. They need to get that battery life up to the 2-day range. Samsung has not been known for, Android has not been really known for great battery life, but maybe Samsung can finally solve the riddle and get us some 2-day long battery life in an Android phone. A guy can hope. As for the screen, it looks like Sammy is going to join the 120 hertz club, which will make a huge difference in the overall smoothness of navigation. The Razer Phone 2 was actually a dream to use, and part of that was the 120 hertz refresh rate that screen had. Hopefully this 120 hertz refresh rate doesn't cripple the battery life and just drain it all, because then that would not be good. And hopefully they don't cripple the higher refresh rate like Google did with the Pixel 4 and allow us to enjoy 120 hertz refresh rate when we want to, not when our brightness is at 75%. One danger of a high refresh rate screen will be potential battery drain. We'll have to see how they do with the optimization as they implement this feature, if in fact we do get 120 hertz or 90 hertz or something like that. The screen sizes are rumored to be 6.4 inches for the S11e, 6.7 inches for the S11, 6.9 inches for the S11 Plus, thereby making it a tablet, according to well-known leaker Evan Blass. Those are some huge screens. I mean, size doesn't matter, but geez, Samsung. It looks like they're going to have a 20:9 aspect ratio instead of an 18:9 aspect ratio that they've had for the past few years. That means it'll be taller, which I don't need the taller phone. I don't really like the taller phone. The taller phone is more difficult to use and a little top heavy if you get the bigger ones and all that kind of stuff. Some people like the one-handed phones, and a 20:9 ratio is not going to make it easy for those folks. All in all, the S11 line is looking to be yet another year of incremental updates that we get to see with some cool new features, but nothing really special so far. Nothing really that's going to set the world on fire. I mean, at this point, smartphones are smartphones. They do a certain thing and you improve them in a certain way and they get better incrementally every year. It's getting harder and harder and harder to get excited about a smartphone. I guess if these rumors turn out to be true, then we're going to see some interesting improvements, some quality of life improvements with battery, bigger screen size, better camera, uglier camera module, all those kinds of things. What else can you expect at this point? It just is what it is. But maybe this year, Samsung can deliver us something that we don't expect, that will be amazing, that will just change. No, it's not going to happen. The S11 looks like it'll be a great phone, but it doesn't look like it's going to be anything all that special compared to last year's phones. I might be wrong. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Are you excited about all this S11 garbage? Whatever. Not garbage. I'm sorry. Are you excited about all these S11 leaks and rumors? Let me know. Talk to me down in the comments. I mean, yeah, I'm always excited about a new phone. It's new phone season just in a couple of months. We just finished phone season. And now in February, we'll get our S11 on. So talk to me down in the comments below. I really look forward to that conversation. And in the meantime, if this was your first time here and you want to come on back again, then you can like and subscribe and bell notify yourself. And if you've been here before, then you can join the channel memberships down below. All kinds of cool stuff available to you if you join and become a member of the Painfully Honest Tech Wizard Squad. Otherwise, my name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. Until the next time, I'm out.